Hello students, now we will discuss about the sum of the series. Series is given, suppose s is equal to, this is the series is given, maybe any numbers. So we have to find out the sum of the series. First of all, we have to see the series, what is the format of the series. Series is, you see very carefully, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Now this 2 will be added in 1, so then next digit will be ready. Okay, now 3 to 5 and then 5, then 5 to 3 8 and 8 to 5 and 13. So like this you can make the series. This is the format of the series, means last digit it will be added for making the next digit. Okay, and in the last, when you will get the output, so then that output will be display the sum of this series. I think you understand the which type of the series we are seeing on the board, and then according to the series we will make the program. So first of all, you will make the program. You will write the first line is command line, program to print series 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3, यानी कि 1 plus 1 2 and 2 plus 1 3 and 3 plus 2 will be next digit. You understand? Now number of digit you can give according to your requirements. Okay, in your question is giving only this digit. Okay, now next is we have to define the class. Public class series 2a I have given, because there are the so many parts is here, so only the we will write only the 2a 1 part, 2a 3 part, b part, c part, like this we will write here. Okay, now open brace, then public static void main function, string argument function you will use here. Now we have to use the scanner. Scanner in is equal to new scanner system dot in, then semicolon. Then you have to use the output statement for enter the number of the digit. How much number you want to add for the making this type of the series. So in double quotes you will write enter n. You understand? Next, you have to store the value of the n. You are using the scanner function, and you have to enter the value of the number of the digit is the integer type of the data without decimal. So then you will use the integer type of the data. Int n is equal to in dot next integer function, then semicolon. Now we have already given the value of the a, that is the a and b, and next time it will be a and then it will be the b, then it will make the another digit. Understand? A and b means a is equal to 1 and b is equal to b is equal to 1 given here. Both values given. Then we have to sum 1 plus 1. We have to sum of a plus b. Clear? Now when we will sum, so then this loop will be start from the third digit. So for integer I is equal to 3, then we will use here the value of the I is equal to 3. Then I is less than equal to n. N is number of digit which is given by you. How many? 10 digit, 5 digit, 7 digit, any digit. So we have to write here the value of the I is less than equal to n. Now I is increase, then open brace, then integer term is equal to a plus b. you know, A plus B, then it will make the next digit. Then A is equal to B. Then it will be equal to A and B. And B is equal to term. B equal to term. Means A plus B and then term. Then next is system dot out dot print ln sum is equal to sum of digit you have given here. Now when you will run this program, so then you will see the output. It will ask enter n numbers. How many numbers you want to give for making the series? Suppose you have given here the value is 10. So then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 digits I have already made. So then it will make the series like this. Program will be continue by this loop. And then after that it will print sum is equal to the sum of this series is 143. That will be the output of this program. You understand, all of you? If the question will say कि you have to print the series like this, so then you have to use the another method. If the question will say you have to sum of the series, so then you have to use like this method. I think and I hope you have understand well this program. Okay, now we will start the next program. Okay, thank you.